Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw another Jurassic World the Game character, and that is the level 40 Indoraptor. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video with me today. Now, to start off with our level 40 Indoraptor, we need to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a small circle shape for the eye. Next, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a line that goes down, and it's going to curve up for the little eyebrow ridge. And I'm also going to add a little line or two underneath here. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up and kind of angle down for the eyebrow. Then I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to curve down. Then I'm going to draw a little line. It's going to be kind of wavy. It's going to go up and then down like this. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to angle down here. And then we're going to curve it up. Then I'm going to bring it over, and I'm going to bring it up and around. I also want to make a little line right here for part of the mouth. Now I'm going to add the teeth. The teeth are going to be kind of spread out, and we also want to put some on the bottom too. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and then back down like this for the tongue. Starting up here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out, and it's going to come back like this for the head. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to curve up and down again for the back. Then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to go down, and I'm going to bring it around here. And then starting here, I'm going to make it pointy and then slowly bring it back up towards the body. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down here for the neck. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up. Starting here, we're going to make a line that goes down. And then it's going to angle down like this. I want to make a line that's going to curve out for the claw, and then it's going to come back. Then I'm going to bring this up, and I'm going to angle it in. I want it to be a little wider here and a little skinnier up here. Then I'll add another little line right here for a claw. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out. It's going to curve here, and then it's going to come back. And I'll add another one right here for another claw. Bring this back, and then we're going to go up and bring it in. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up like this. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come back. We're going to go down like this. I'm going to go right underneath the tail, and we're going to make another little claw shape that's going to come back, and it's going to go up. And we're going to bring it up here. I'm going to add another one down here. Curve this down a little more. Then right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go down. And we're going to add a couple more little claws here, and then we're going to bring this up. Now, starting right along the back here, we want to add some of the little spikes. So to do this, I'm just going to start right back here, and I'm going to add some small spikes that are going to run all the way along the back of our level 40 Indoraptor. So we're going to take these all the way across the back. And they're going to run all the way down the tail. So we're just going to make these little spikes go all the way down the tail as well. Now, our level 40 Indoraptor is also going to have some of those kind of long spikes up on top of its head. So we're going to draw some of these long, skinny kind of spike shapes all along here. And we'll throw some in some little random spots along here too. There's also going to be some popping out of the back here. So we're just going to add some of these long, skinny spikes going all the way along the back. And we're going to make some of them come through here too. Now, starting right up here, we want to add a little bit of texture to here. So I'm going to add a little bit of a broken line coming down here. And I'm going to add some little lines that go out and then down. And this is just going to be kind of like a little armor-plated back on him. So we're just going to add these little details all the way around here for some armor plates. And we'll run these all the way down the tail. And you can make them a little smaller as you get farther down. Now, starting right here, we're going to add a little dot for the nose. And then I'm going to add a little kind of rounded shape right here. And a little line that's just kind of a little broken oval shape right along here. I'm going to add some quick little lines in the mouth and then a little line right here. A little broken line here. A little line right in here. We're going to make some little curved lines going up the neck here. And some long little lines going down here. And some more little broken lines going down here. We're going to add some curved lines for the claws and a couple little extra lines here. And then a couple little extra lines right along the feet and everything. Some little curved lines where the legs are meeting the body. I'm going to add a little curved line here and then some more little lines. We're going to add some little lines right along the legs and the arms here. And then some more curved lines here and some more lines kind of along the tail. We'll add some more claws down here. And just a few more extra lines down here. I'm also going to add a little extra line here. And then some quick little lines kind of right along the mouth here of our level 40 Indoraptor. We'll add some little details around here. And here you go. Here is your drawing of a level 40 Indoraptor from Jurassic World the Game. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.